Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to click on Settings and click on Bluetooth section. Following that, make sure that Bluetooth is on at the top and wait for all full boot devices to show up. When they do, you need to click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, you need to click on this gear next to the device and tap on Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then, to connect to the same one, just click on it, tap on Pair again, and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!